All right, today I want you to practice logging in to your Microsoft Office 365, which is right here. If it doesn't automatically get you in, look at your login sheet to get into Microsoft Office 365. Then I want you to go to where it says Outlook. Outlook, and that's where your emails are at. Okay, so I want you to click New Message, and I want you to send me a message. My email is jdixon@ems-isd.net. All right, and then you're going to title, the subject is going to be practice sending an email. All right, and then what would you ask a teacher? What would you ask me? What in an email, what would you ask? These are things you could ask me. What can I do to improve my grade? Or maybe you already know what to do to improve your grade, but you need to redo an assignment. I'm trying to redo an assignment on Canvas and it is blocked. Okay, that is something you could ask a teacher. Email a teacher and ask them this. I'm trying to redo an assignment on Canvas and it is blocked, or it won't let me redo it. Okay, and then you're going to tell it what's the name of the assignment. So just send a simple question, and then you're going to press the send button right here, and then it's going to go to me. Okay, try that.